I was thinking about putting the fab in, but I think I'm not gonna put it in just because I already have so much liquid in here. Because honestly, I was still trying to decide what I wanted to do even once I started. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna add it because we really don't need the extra liquid. Because at first I was just gonna do this blue, but then I decided to try making my own colors, which is still a work in progress. Next time I do it, it'll probably be better. Yeah, it's definitely about to be pasted off. This right here is pine panelin dish soap. There's lemon cans and some laundry in here. But I'm surprised it turned so blue. I was sure it's probably gonna be black because I mixed so many colors in here. And this dish soap came out black. And really, I was trying to make purple, but it came out black. But actually, I'm not mad. I kind of like the black. Whoa. Oh, I colored it. That's why it's so blue. I should have did these colors for Halloween, but I wasn't even on Clean Talk on Halloween. Thanks, Islam. Do we want to add the rest of this in? Oh, this one's green. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit the follow button so you never miss any of my lives. Thanks for the gift bag. Honestly, Victor, doesn't it look like that? Yeah, there is a lot of noise. I don't know what the heck they're fixing. Like, they literally never fix anything, but they're deciding to fix it today. I should have just waited to do this later like I always do. I always have the whole day to myself, to be honest. Yeah, this one is definitely black. Hey, Audrey. Honestly, I feel like everybody's named Kayla. Who is spamming? If y'all want to, I give y'all permission to block people, because honestly, I don't normally like to block people. Y'all already know how I am, but this is a free live to all the people who follow and support me and is always there talking to me, having a good time, and sending to me. This live is for them. So if it's new people coming in and causing chaos and y'all can enjoy it, just let them go. It's okay. It's not about how many people I have following me. It's about like how good everybody is. I care more about the quality of people than the quantity. So if y'all want to go ahead and block them, that's okay. It's up to y'all. I'll let my moderators decide. Thank you. And welcome to the family. Alright, I hope your work meeting goes well. Thank you, Serenity ASMR. And yes, 214. Unfortunately, I cannot please everybody, so we won't try to. No, the sponges are not hard to squeeze. Honestly, it's only thick because of the dish soap is like a gel.